Hello and welcome to our video on lentils, a miracle of nutrition. In this video, we will explore the amazing health benefits of lentils and how you can incorporate them into your diet. Lentils are a versatile and delicious legume that has been consumed for thousands of years. They are also one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, making them a true superfood. Lentils are a member of the legume family and have been cultivated for over 8,000 years. They are a staple food in many cultures and cuisines around the world, including India, the Middle East, and South America. Lentils are an excellent source of protein, fiber, iron, and other essential vitamins and minerals. They are also low in fat and calories, making them an ideal food for weight management and overall health. One of the key health benefits of lentils is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. The high fiber content of lentils slows down glucose absorption into the bloodstream, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes. This makes lentils an ideal food for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. Lentils are also a great source of plant-based protein. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein, which is more than the protein content of a large egg. This makes lentils an excellent alternative to meat for vegetarians and vegans, as well as for anyone looking to reduce their meat intake. In addition to their nutritional benefits, lentils are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and curries. They also come in a range of colors and varieties, from green and brown lentils to red and yellow lentils. Each variety has its own unique flavor and texture, making them an exciting ingredient to experiment with in the kitchen. Incorporating lentils into your diet is easy and delicious. Here are some simple ways to add lentils to your meals. Make a hearty lentil soup by simmering lentils with vegetables, herbs, and spices. You can also add some cooked chicken or sausage for extra flavor. Toss cooked lentils with your favorite vegetables and dressing to create a healthy and flavorful salad. You can also add some feta cheese or nuts for extra crunch. Make a vegetarian burger patty by mixing cooked lentils with breadcrumbs, eggs, and seasonings. Grill or bake the patties and serve on a bun with your favorite toppings. Create a wonderful curry by cooking lentils in a spicy curry sauce with vegetables and serving them over rice for a satisfying and flavorful meal. Make a hearty lentil stew with your favorite vegetables and protein, such as chicken or beef. Add some fresh herbs and spices for extra flavor. Make a lentil dip by blending cooked lentils with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil to create a healthy and delicious dip for vegetables or pita bread. You can make lentil tacos. Just fill a tortilla with cooked lentils, avocado, salsa, and cheese for a healthy and flavorful taco. To make lentil pasta, mix cooked lentils with your favorite pasta and sauce for a protein-packed and satisfying meal. These are just a few ideas for incorporating lentils into your diet. With their versatility and delicious flavor, lentils are a great addition to any meal. Thank you for watching our video on lentils, a miracle of nutrition. We hope you have learned something new about this amazing legume and are inspired to incorporate it into your diet. Lentils are not only delicious and versatile, but they are also one of the healthiest foods you can eat. So why not give them a try and see how they can transform your health and well-being? See you in the next one.